come barbecue with us. We're going to Publix to get more charcoal. The weather is so rainy, but we're still going because we marinated this meat. What does it mean? We are at the spot and it's raining. Some assistance. We got a spot under the trees and we're starting. She's eating and then putting her trash on top of us. First batch of food. Here's our little zone. Here's more veggies to grill. And here's 2 batches of meat. This one's already. I like them burnt actually. Here's another batch of meat. Oh my god, wow. I can't. This is incredible. This is the shoulder buttock, I think, the part of this pork. It's incredible. The softest pork in my life.